Hello, in this recording we're going to talk about bonus caps in variable pay. And as per the SAP blog post, the way to configure and turn on bonus capping in variable pay is by going to Set Bonus Calculation under Plan Setup. And before you turn it on, you have to make sure that there are no worksheets that are live that have been created with this template. So you have to delete them, then come to the bottom of set bonus calculation and then determine whether you want by bonus plan, by employee, and then hit save. So here it's already selected as by bonus plan. So you would save, get a green message, and then the next thing you want to do is go to manage plan details and click on bonus plans. So bonus plans are a mandatory thing in variable pay. If you don't have a bonus plan in your template, no worksheet will ever get created. So you must, every variable pay templates has to have one. And so in this example, we have four. And let's say we want to add a bonus capping for each of them. So we can select them here and then select export bonus plans. Open the CSV file. And in the CSV file, if we go to the right, we're going to find a column called bonus cap percent. And this column, we want to change it to be something else than one. So we can do something really low, which will be very visible on the worksheet when we relaunch. So that would be 10%. We want to cap the bonus to not exceed 10% of based on the bonus plan here, based on the bonus plan that the employee is on. Um, so for more details on how the calculations are made, you can look at the different examples that we posted in the in on the blog. Um, but here, so that would be 50%, that would be 20%, 20%, 10%. So we're going to do a round with this. And what we'll see is that after we re-import this file, and we launch the worksheet, we'll see that on the worksheet, the values that have been capped are highlighted in red. So first, we just saved the bonus plan after we made the edit, so let's re-import it. We get this message here, which means we need to check in monitor compensation job for the detail of the job to make sure it worked fine. And it says successfully imported 4, so we're good. And we can now do the final step before launching the worksheet, which is to run bonus calculation. Every time you launch a variable pay worksheet, you need to, if it's never been done before, you need to run bonus calculation because in variable pay, the calculations are made prior to the worksheets being launched. And if you don't do that, chances are high that either a worksheet will not be created or you will not see any data when you open the worksheet. So here again, we need to go to monitor compensation jobs and this is the job that just completed. So let's check. And it says has completed successfully. There is no error message, so we're good. Now we can launch a worksheet. And let's make sure that the system's job has completed correctly. Yeah, one plan created. So now we're already proxied as comp admin, which is the first step of the route map that's tied to this particular template. As per the leading practices for compensation, should always go to comp admin first. And if we look at it now, if we go to the very end of the template here, we can see that one of the the final payout here is showing in red, which means it's been adjusted by the bonus capping. So it would take a little while to go into the details of the calculation here, but we can see that the organization payout was 891. The individual payout was 1,190. So if we sum both of them, we would have 891.48 plus. So we should be getting 2,081.48, and we're getting 1,700. So the system is capped the final payout. So bonus caps are really useful to make sure that nobody gets a payout greater than a certain percentage for their bonus plan they're on or by employee. Um, and they can be combined with what is very frequently added to any new variable pay template, which is an override column for comp admin, which shows after the final calculated payout, which would be the standard column here, and where comp admin can enter any value they want there. In case of someone an exception at the very last minute. So that column is very frequent on new implementations, but bonus capping is often overlooked, and it can save a lot of time for comp administrators. So I would really encourage taking a closer look at what it could do for your company. Thank you. Hope this was helpful. Bye bye.